So another interesting day for the cryptocurrency markets and specifically SUI, both the SUI coin itself and the meme coins around it. So let's discuss my trades and what I'm thinking about the SUI market right now. So you can see I've actually re-added to my SUI position. We're at 44,000 SUI right now. Just a modest $2,000 in profit, but we do have our $30,000 that are banked in profit already. I actually sold at about $2 exactly, right? In and around that region. I've been taking profits. Then we pushed back down to about the 177 region down here, and I've been adding at about 180 in this little wick region here because it felt like that was a nice level of support. As we can see here, very nice resistance back here, support back here, and resistance back here. So I thought that was a good region to start adding, and I was looking at the Bitcoin chart, also analyzing what I thought was going to happen next. And of course, we did have this little wick to the downside, which I was hoping we would hold here, but the daily candle has not closed lower than our $60,000 region. In fact, the lowest I want it to close really is 59,900 to maintain this current bullish momentum here. That doesn't mean that the bull market is over. It doesn't mean that I'm going to flip bearish. But if we do lose that region there, about 60,000, and we start to close below it, I would expect us to retest this liquidity zone, 57,000, and then potentially here, depending on what happens next. You can see we perfectly came down, wicked, and bounced off this support sitting right here. Very basic TA, guys. This is what I believe works, and this is how we can not predict exactly what's going to happen, but we can figure out where the bounce zones might be, where our resistance points might be, where our big opportunities to be watching, both on a resistance point, but also on a liquidity point. Because right here, there's going to be a lot of stop losses, liquidations, and emotional capitulations that sit there, meaning that this acts as a magnet for Bitcoin to push downwards. When it starts to crash, we see our altcoins also start to crash. And when it starts to show some stability, we see our altcoins that are most powerful in this market show strength. That's what we're seeing with SUI here. This is the strongest altcoin that I'm tracking right now. That's why I'm comfortable doing these trades. And right now we can just place our stop loss at break even so we can get out of the trade. We could close the majority of the trade at break even and then hold a little bit and then add to it as it goes down, dollar cost averaging, depending on what you want to do. Also, you can see here, guys, I'm at 6x leverage. We started the trade at 3x leverage and we increased the leverage as the price went up, as we started this trade at about a dollar and some change, and we've been adding more leverage, more margin as well. But if you add more leverage, you can actually take out your margin, right? And you can take out your profit and you can make this a little bit of a safer opportunity. Now, if you want to learn how I've done that, smash the subscribe button. I'm posting a lot of trading tutorials and everything that I'm doing in this market right now. So the links will be down there in the description. And if you guys do want to trade SUI right now, there is a link to MARGEX down there in the description. The reason why I suggest MARGEX is I know a lot of you guys don't want to give up any of your personal details to random exchanges, all right? So MARGEX will not ask for your personal details. There's no KYC, and you can access them from anywhere in the world. So the link is down there in my description, and if you use my link, you can get up to $10,000 of deposit bonuses. So that's waiting for you down there. And guys, for this trade, my first region of resistance I'd really be watching is $1.84, which we are about to test here. If we can break that, the first one after that, $1.91, and then all the way up to this $2 region. If we can break above it, what we want to see is moves similar to this, right? And then on these pullbacks, they can be opportunities to jump in if you haven't already jumped in. But we want to be breaking out of this channel that we've been stuck in. So that sits right around here at about the 185 to about 187. If we can break above that, I think it's going to be nice and bullish, but this will be dictated by what Bitcoin does. So can Bitcoin hold the $60,000 region? That's what's important to see here. If not, there could be more downside to come. So do be prepared for that, guys. Right now, we are playing with another very interesting support level for Bitcoin, which dictates the rest of the market. Now, we also see that Bitcoin liquidation, a lot of people are going short. So they're going short at support, which is not what we want to be doing, but if we're going against them, we could start to flip bullish. Now, to stick on SUI, SUI flips Solana with record-breaking performance, hitting more transactions at its peak than any other chains combined. Isn't that insane? We also just saw Hippo being listed on KuCoin, which sets me up for my meme coins here. You can see Nami right now at a $4 million market cap. I made a video about this at a $1 million market cap. We also have Blue here at a $4.8 million market cap. And of course, these move smooth, volatile, right? Look at this. Someone's been taking some profits just right now, and the price has dipped down. It was at 4.7 or 8 just a second ago. So this is what happens, right? We have these ebbs and flows, and it's something you have to be used to if you're going to mess with the meme coins. But if we're seeing meme coins on Sui start to be listed on places like KuCoin, it could start us for our next run for coins, for meme coins on Sui. I think there's a nice potential Sui meme coin season to come, and that's what I'm gearing up for with these. And let me know if you know of any others I should be looking at. I'm not endorsing you to buy or sell any of these. Please do your own research, okay, guys? Don't blindly follow me. This is what I'm doing. I'm a degen. So with that said, guys, if you do want to trade Sui, MARGEX is linked down there in the description. Hopefully I've provided some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.